Alright, we still cruise on film music tag like DTR album launch, Rough Guy inside Radar Lodge and Conference Center. One of the industry players now, when you DJ Bat from Zam Multimedia, ODT feel about on your general assessment about this program and on your part share as tibanda zo na wa katinyeti en tap son cham ka northern music katizang le cham ka klasinia eta tenon so piele pam. We happy to see you on Rough Guy DTR album launch. Eta I'm mentioning as on party and a general assessment about this program.
All right. Thank you for the opportunity.
Okay, sir.
So I would say I'm super happy.
No.
Nuku kana fika ku nuku pa junction ma.
No.
Malaga kana.
No.
Kan super again.
Okay.
Because change first of all, do you have a no show?
Sure.
Okay. Secondly, never complain and let you one.
Wow. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then apart from all those things, challenges behind
Okay.
with the value and the behavior and other things. So there's a total restriction.
Wow.
This is one look at in Shaman. I think but Subin mind. It's like Wimbledon and the show came out. It's like you are affected by me.
Okay.
Because no change until you've been on stage. Because show that you didn't like.
Yeah.
Because a lot of attention.
Okay.
And of coming in, just set up now with the red carpet now.
Wow.
And you had a show till now. Red carpet. We have my 2 o'clock here.
Yeah.
And the red carpet is still going on.
Wow.
That shows that organizers man very serious.
Wow.
So I'm happy. If we're going to continue this way, I think so at least people shall follow Fabia maybe complain about support.
Yeah.
Because I can see that so comes on and then the support is worth it, and at least come up and do manga. To last support.
Okay.
Because someone like Rough Guy.
Okay.
There's Antonio
So guys are okay.
Also rally behind that person.
Okay.
Can make sure that Chango yellow. Then we'll move on.
Okay.
Seriously. But
alright.
I'm very happy.
So Ankarama, can you like amal any challenge can you point out is there anything beyond our expectations?
Okay. First of all, maybe price rate my price list man in the shop.
Okay.
But I believe it will be a flat rate.
Okay.
This year of flat rate, then that's true. But then for flat rate.
Then you have 30-50.
So that means we have VIP.
Yeah.
I mean I change I could differentiate VIP
and
regular.
Okay.
And I don't think there's a serious restriction there. We am directed in the okay, regular champion, VIP champion. So come that could tell me.
Okay.
Dinang Lama, next time, so come so be on board with the VIP because at the end of the day, we are all going to end up at the same place.
Okay.
So the two can be taking that serious. So arrangement now. So party with that.
Okay.
And I sit in my double seat in my because I chant to my is like polo bien.
Yeah.
Kanyanga map
yeah.
Nobody is in the seat.
Yeah.
And in the front.
Yeah.
Normally show so look at sit market occupy. This artist might perform only a young but so can that. Yeah. It's like
okay.
Artist the man.
Okay.
Ibanyala problem.
Okay.
And then coming out here, the security, I'm impressed. I think in general, I'm so impressed. And then with the sound.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
I have problem with the MC.
Okay.
You know, that problem has been a problem that the young all the time. From sports stadium to trade, and it has been like that.
Yeah.
So I've come to realize that it's like we are glorifying that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look, when you have a show, you are paying the MC. Official MC is on the fly. You are going to pay him.
Yeah.
It's a job.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Official MC should be here even before the show might start.
Yeah.
Artists, you are not the headline artist.
Yeah.
I am going. At 12, be 1, 2 o'clock. As an MC, and you are the one they are going to pay.
Yeah.
Now you been raise the carpets, been raise the curtains, like capturing the show. They don't even regard. They don't pay them.
Yeah.
And then secondly, these are artists and underground artists. Can coaching comes them a pabil all the stakeholders, especially MC. Number so when you're like okay, MC will introduce me. It's a class.
Yeah.
Oh, small like DJ Carlos Bader. I don't want to mention it, but maybe a bigger name is an MC. Who introducing us an underground.
Yeah.
It's a motivation.
Yeah.
But we shouldn't discriminate. Okay, when you're underground MC, you're young ball underground artist.
Okay.
This is a then the official MC will come in.
Wow.
What I really show you.
Wow.
It doesn't go well.
Wow.
Like the MC
Yeah.
I've never seen something like underground MC.
Yeah.
So you can show man. Because you can be introduced MC as a musician.
Yeah.
MC Mark, but I bet you can cook J High, Katama Chanka, Kanama. We may Kanaba, but we introduce so Kanamala show man.
More than
we do stage man, who perform like an artist.
Yeah.
See, if you don't have a sense of humor as an MC, that is your problem.
Yeah.
If you can't pull the crowd, you don't know how to control the crowd.
Yeah.
That is your problem. That is your problem.
Okay.
You put on mal show. Can you MC? I cannot just stage mazo. Premier Shabun deal ma yila. You are promoting them.
You are promoting them. Yeah.
It's bullshit. It's not. It doesn't happen anywhere.
Wow.
Let them enjoy them.
Yeah.
Let the people see their value.
Yeah.
And then Lama, you are telling the people that baby money they are not worth it. Because everybody saw who is on the bill.
Yeah.
I cannot to do stage in Europe.
Wow.
You are promoting them.
Wow.
And then you take more time. The MC based stage, like almost 30 minutes. All is not necessary.
Wow.
We are here to watch artists. The artists on the bill, they are bringing them here.
Wow.
If artist has no name, artist he can know him pull the crowd. He doesn't deserve to be on any bill.
Wow.
But if you trust the artist has fan base, he can pull crowd.
Yeah.
Then let it be.
Okay.
Let him be. Let him enjoy his day.
Okay.
That's
wow.
simple as that.
Wow. Wow.
I mean,
you will think. I'm very impressed. I'm enjoying you.
Yes. All that I've been saying about that, but then I literally. Artists Shabtum fighting Truman.
Yeah.
They themselves, they are not fighting for us because he supposed to be Shaban artist. That's criticism. That is my opinion.
Yeah.
If you don't take it, but don't let your fans insult me.
Yeah.
You can show a Facebook, I can't tell you profile. And you know how it has gone down 2,000 or 20 just because of the entertainment.
Yeah.
And I've realized one thing: very young people, we don't like good, we don't want growth. I understand that.
Yeah.
But still, when to take back to we do small thing, we say it's small. Maybe you didn't change it, you understand that.
Okay.
But Nigeria didn't start like this.
Yeah.
It also started from somewhere.
Wow.
And people have to check.
Okay.
Yeah.
That is one or two advice from DJ Bags, and I'm very impressed. And this is that's the fact. And I can promise you, I'll find a way. And by all means, I'll get interacted with him. We discuss this matter into details. Thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate it. Come on, how?